that I used to buy anything that we wanted to eat. My husband is very choosy about the vegetables he eats, so therefore I would buy whatever was easiest for him to eat. I myself had a few favorites. I am very fond of bhindi, I am very fond of pumpkin. So these vegetables were in our house all through the year. But then I learned about the concept of seasonal fruits and vegetables. What I learned was that nature has designed certain fruits and vegetables to grow in specific seasons based on our body needs. For example, in summers, we need hydration, and therefore nature has given us water-rich vegetables like tori, kheera, kakdi, and similarly with fruits like melons and mangoes. These days, a lot of fruits and vegetables are available all around the year, but they are more likely to be artificially grown than natural. Also, when a vegetable or a fruit is in season, it is likely to be at its peak of being flavorsome and nutritious. Once I had this understanding, from that day onwards, I have only bought seasonal fruits and vegetables. The entire focus has changed. Even for my son, he's going to be 3 soon. He likes to take his veggies in the form of soups. So these days in winters, he's having a lot of tomato-based soups with beetroot or spinach or gajar. These are all seasonal veggies. Similarly, in summers, I give him lauki soup or pumpkin soup. Nature has given a lot of variety in every season. The moment we just turn our focus towards eating seasonal, a whole new world of options open up for us.